Orlando Pirates fans, they can hate me as much as they want. I don't care. I will speak the truth. Mamelodi Sundowns with their 8 players, we never had problems. They brought us bronze in South Africa, right? Grand Kekana, Neo Maema, Reyners, Tembazwani, Barigimang, Tapelo, not Tapelo, Barigimang, Tapelo Morena. Those players are players that could have beaten that weak team yesterday. You can't tell Mohori you should select a team of weak, inexperienced players like Orlando Pirates who doesn't even have CAF experience. Whether you are bringing them to Bafana, you think they are going to stand for Bafana? Hugo Bros embarrassed us, man. Just says, it's happy, man. You lost! Bafana! Pirates! Out! You are too weak, man! Yes, sis! How?